If you don't love top sirloin steak, you're cooking it wrong. Here are the do's and don'ts for a next level top sirloin experience. First, do choose steaks like these that are extra aged for maximum tenderness. Secondly, do use marinade and salt to help tenderize this lean cut. Here's a big don't. Don't use a cold pan. You'll lose your sear and potentially overcook it. Instead, do use a preheated, burning hot cast iron pan or grill. As it cooks, do add butter, ghee, duck fat, or bacon fat to tenderize a top sirloin. And definitely don't overcook it. This lean cut dries out and loses flavor the longer it cooks. Then you do want to allow your steak to rest for the juiciest possible bite. And finally, don't cut along the grain. It makes this lean steak tougher, while cutting against the grain delivers tender perfection. Now that you know how to cook the perfect top sirloin, order yours today at omahasteaks.com and enjoy.